Hello and welcome back. Oppo is getting ready to launch its new flagship smartphone in China called the Reno Ace, and now we might have some more details about the phone. Besides debuting with the new 65W Super vooc fast charging technology and a 90Hz display, a leaked promo image and alleged 10-hour listing suggest that it will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC and will have quad rear cameras. We also get a first good look at the design of the Reno Ace thanks to the leaked images. So without keeping you waiting anymore, let's get started with the specs. As you can see in the photos, the Oppo Reno Ace will adopt a water drop screen design and the phone will sport a 6.5-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. It will get protection from Gorilla Glass 6 and will get an in-screen fingerprint sensor. On the back, it will carry a quad camera consisting of 48 megapixel main sensor and the phone will weigh 200 grams. Under the hood, it will use a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of native storage. The listing mentions a total of 5 cameras, 4 at the back and 1 in the front. The rear camera includes a 48 megapixel primary sensor, a 13 megapixel sensor and an 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel sensor. The selfie camera is said to have a 16 megapixel sensor. Among the rear cameras, the 2 megapixel sensor will most likely be a depth sensor, followed by a wide angle and possibly a telephoto. But the selling point of this handset is going to be the new 65W fast charging support for a 4000 mAh battery. The company says that this system can charge a 4000 mAh battery in just 30 minutes with a 27% charge in just 5 minutes. The phone is said to run Android 9 Pie with ColorOS 6.1 skin. The Reno Ace also appears to have a USB Type-C port and a 3.5mm headphone socket at the bottom. Oppo Reno Ace smartphone will be unleashed on October 10th in China alongside the Oppo K5 smartphone and will have 3 variants to choose from: the 8GB RAM with 128GB of internal storage, the 8GB RAM with 256GB of storage and 12GB RAM with 256GB of storage with UFS 3.0. So that's about Oppo Reno Ace and the launch date of Oppo K5. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Peace out.